Alright, it's recording.
So take out all 3 hub bolts. And you put these back in, anti-seize them, lube them, whatever you want to, your choice. Do something to them, because otherwise you'll have a hell of a time getting them out. So now sometimes the hub's stubborn. Big ass hammer, give it a couple whacks. Just smacking the gears. So I'm gonna have to go in there with like a chisel or something, pop it loose, keep recording. So this is just a chisel. You could use a screwdriver if you want. You're trying to get a gap in here. See how it's starting to open up? The more even you do it, the better it'll be.